Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Aptos apt and we talked about that we will have a breakout. We did, but unfortunately we did not make it past above the 0.786 Fibonacci. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits, trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Let's go right now to see what Aptos apt is going to do. So eventually you can see that we had a bullish pennant yesterday. And from the bullish pennant we had a breakout, but it was not enough to go all the way above the 10 USDT. And perhaps not closing above the 10 USDT didn't give us the next targets. Okay, 10.66 that we talked about, 10.85 and maybe 11 USDT. Right now we are going all the way further down and we want to see if this will bring a little bit of a hype and a little bit of a huge buying pressure, or it will be the start of something more bearish. Let's find out right now. First of all, we have to work in the lower time frames because you all know that after this coin has been added, we do not have enough data for our risk metrics in the daily frame, in the weekly frame, in the monthly frame or so. Okay. Secondly, we have to focus in the lower time frames, and here we are in the lower time frames. You can see that we are in the 1 hour frame, lower highs, higher lows. Unfortunately, now what we are doing is we are forming a bearish pennant. Before we were forming a bullish pennant back here, but now we are forming a bearish pennant. And the most important thing and what you need to know, it is that people are trading Aptos. They are having huge leverages, and be careful with them because right here you can see that we found multiple times a buying pressure at the top trend line, but it wasn't enough to get us all the way up higher. You can see that we had constant buying pressure, but we didn't make it. So please be careful because we have many fake outs, okay, and many things that you should take into consideration. For the time being, we have the bearish pennant. I'm expecting Aptos apt to go all the way further down. Let's see some very nice targets. I'm going to draw the fib from this bottom or from this bottom right here before the impulsive wave started. The next impulsive wave, I will choose this one and draw it from the bottom to the top. You can see right now that we are holding this line right here, the 9 USDT. Unfortunately, because this is a bearish pennant, we could be going down to the 8.7. Now at the 8.7, we might be having a mini buying pressure, the next mini buying pressure for Aptos. But I think that after the bearish pennant, we are going to go further down, and from the 8.7, we go to have another buying pressure, but the lower lows, lower highs will keep going on. Anyway, for the time being, there is a slight chance that this is a bearish pennant, but we go again to the 9 USDT, and from there we have a fake out, which can lead to a buying pressure. If this happens, we have to close above the 9.30. If we close above the 9.30 in the 1 hour frame, make sure that Aptos is going towards the next target, which is the 9.52, and it is going to climb even higher. Now, what we need to do it is to close above the 9.52. If we can manage to do that, then we are going to go all the way up higher to the 10.32 USDT maybe again. But for the time being, for now, 9 USDT and the 8.70 is more possible than the higher targets, because right now we should be correcting more bearish pennant formation, going back down to the 8.70 it is, and from there we might be finding, as we talked about, a buying pressure towards maybe the 9 USDT again, maybe the 8.90 around there. It won't be a huge buying pressure, okay? So do not think that after hitting this target we are going all the way up higher at this moment, because the demand will keep getting lower and lower, okay? I think that the most probable scenario it is for the price to fall down. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.